Welcome to European Train Driver, your unique window into the fascinating world of railroading across diverse European landscapes from France to Germany and beyond. This is episode 13, where we dive deep into a day in the life of a train driver. Today, we delve deeply into what it truly means to be a train driver in Europe, a role that goes far beyond simply operating a vehicle, encompassing vast responsibilities for safety and precision across high-speed passenger and heavy freight services. Train drivers expertly manage immense machines that often weigh over 500 tons, propelling them at breathtaking speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, exemplified by the high-speed TGV trains slicing through the French countryside. These professionals carry thousands of passengers daily on services like those in Germany or the UK, or haul thousands of tons of cargo in freight operations, bearing an unyielding 24/7 responsibility for countless lives and for infrastructure valued at billions of euros across the continent. This demanding job requires immense skill, unwavering responsibility, and constant precision, turning every single journey into a profound testament to the driver's control and expertise in managing these powerful beasts of the rail. Before the journey, the preparation phase, where meticulous groundwork ensures a safe departure. A train driver's shift begins well before the train departs, typically 30 to 60 minutes early. For instance, signing on at the depot at 4 a.m. in preparation for a 5 a.m. departure, marking the quiet yet crucial start of a long day. This essential initial phase involves thoroughly reviewing critical documents, such as the train planning system schedules that outline timings and paths, along with vital safety bulletins and notices to drivers. Drivers also meticulously study route-specific briefs, gaining intimate knowledge of advanced signaling systems like the widely implemented ERTMS Level 2, which is standard across many European networks for enhanced safety and efficiency. A mandatory fitness check is conducted, confirming 6 of 6 unaided eyesight for sharp visibility and adherence to strict alcohol limits below 0.02%. as part of this rigorous preparation to guarantee peak performance. Following the completion of all paperwork, a crucial 10 to 20-minute walk-around inspection of the locomotive is performed, circling the entire vehicle to spot any potential issues. This comprehensive check includes scrutinizing brake pads for wear, pantographs on electric trains for secure contact with overhead lines, and vital safety systems such as TPWS in the UK or the EU-wide ETCS for automatic train protection. For a robust Class 66 freight locomotive commonly used in Europe, this entails inspecting over 3,000 individual brake pads across multiple bogies and confirming that pantographs are fully prepared for the 25 kilovolts AC overhead power supply. Additionally, a brake continuity test verifies 5-bar pressure throughout the system, while ultrasonic checks on wheels detect even the tiniest 1 mm cracks that could compromise safety on the journey ahead. Fuel and oil levels are carefully verified, such as ensuring 5,000 liters of diesel for long-haul operations, and any discovered issues are promptly logged in the official vehicle defect book for immediate action or reporting. According to data from the EU Agency for Railways, an impressive 90% of all rail incidents are preventable through these thorough pre-departure checks, powerfully underscoring their critical role in maintaining Europe's exemplary safety standards. On the move, concentration and control, the heart of the driver's demanding shift. Once settled in the cab, the driver adjusts their seat for optimal comfort and visibility, then performs essential rule book checks, such as those detailed in the UK Rule Book BR 219, ensuring full compliance with operational protocols. They master complex controls including the throttle with its precise 8 notches for power adjustment and the dynamic brake system, which enables regenerative braking that can recover up to 30% of energy back to the power supply. The deadman's pedal demands unwavering vigilance, requiring the driver to press or acknowledge it every 60 seconds to confirm alertness, preventing any lapse that could endanger the train. Speed management remains paramount at all times, strictly adhering to limits such as 160 kilometers per hour on mixed passenger freight lines, while meticulously following color light signals that dictate red for stop, yellow for caution, and green for proceed. Delivering a smooth ride is essential for passenger comfort and cargo stability. which means keeping acceleration and deceleration below 0.3 meters per second squared to avoid any jolts during the journey. Constant vigilance is non-negotiable, with drivers scanning 1 to 2 kilometers ahead for potential hazards, continuously monitoring instruments, and promptly responding to AWS or TPWS alerts that sound every 200 meters along the route. Radio communication with signalers is continuous and vital, conducted on VHF frequency 174 MHz, ensuring seamless coordination of train movements across the expansive European rail network. Route knowledge is absolutely critical. Experienced drivers memorize extensive 300 to 500 kilometer routes in detail, including every gradient change, curve radius, and precise signal location to navigate flawlessly. Take the Berlin-Warsaw route as a prime example, where drivers must commit to memory all 40 signals and the exact positions of 15 curves greater than 5 degrees, along with their individual characteristics. Gradients play a major role too, such as a challenging 1:100 incline that can significantly extend braking distances by up to 20%, demanding precise throttle and brake adjustments for control. This level of proficiency stems from extensive training, lasting 12 to 18 months initially, followed by a 2-year competency development period, all mandated under EU Directive 2007/59/EC to standardize skills across member states. Facing the unexpected, challenges on the track, testing the driver's resolve in real time. Adverse weather conditions present formidable challenges. Heavy rain, for instance, can extend braking distances by a full 50%, shifting from 360 to 540 kilometers per hour squared on slick wet rails. Snow and dense fog drastically reduce visibility to less than 200 meters, heightening the risk of a signal passed at danger or SPAD incident by as much as 40% according to safety analyses. Technical faults arise roughly once every 10,000 kilometers of operation, requiring drivers to spring into immediate diagnostic and response mode without hesitation. As the first line of defense, drivers must diagnose and address issues like an AWS failure, isolating the fault swiftly according to established procedures such as Rule S.404 in operational manuals. Many minor problems, such as will slip during acceleration, can be resolved on the spot by the driver using systems like the vigilance override to restore normal traction quickly. External factors add further threats, including trespassers or animals straying onto the line, with over 3,000 such incidents reported annually just in the UK rail network alone. Drivers must also skillfully navigate past track maintenance crews protected by temporary speed restrictions and respond to unexpected signal changes, all while projecting a calm and professional demeanor. Even rarer wrong-side signal failures, with a safety integrity of 1 in 10 to the 9 operations, demand instantaneous and precise responses to avert potential disasters. A measured, calm response is crucial in crises, such as activating the emergency brake to achieve a rapid deceleration of 1.2 meters per second squared, while issuing clear PA announcements to reassure passengers. Studies from the International Railway Federation, or IRF, reveal that 70% of drivers report experiencing high levels of concentration fatigue, illuminating the profound mental demands endured throughout each shift. Conclusion: reflecting on the essence of this vital profession. Being a train driver transcends a mere job. It is a profession demanding split-second precision, with signal reaction times as swift as 0.1 seconds to maintain safety margins. It embodies immense responsibility, underpinning Europe's remarkable 99.9999% safety record in rail transport, a statistic that speaks volumes about the dedication involved. Above all, drivers must sustain a calm demeanor even under the fiercest pressure, guaranteeing the safe passage of millions of travelers across the network each year. They form the vital human link connecting over 500 million Europeans annually, enabling billions of passenger kilometers of reliable, efficient travel from city to city. Ultimately, this profession is profoundly about safely connecting people, economies, and places, serving as the steady pulse driving the connectivity of an entire continent. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the demanding yet rewarding life of a European train driver, from preparation to handling the unexpected. Please subscribe to European Train Driver for more in-depth insights into railroading. And don't forget to like this video and comment below with your own rail stories or experiences.